Hello everyone, I'm John and I'm the guy who posted only 3 videos, but I'm working my way. Uh, Today I want to discuss about repair manuals because I've been having a kind of little bit trouble to find a good repair manual, especially for the German cars, Volkswagen. I went to website, it's a really famous website, they have a good reviews, and I check it in a BBB website, which is Business Bureau website, and they had very less complaints and really good reviews. So I decided to go and see what kind of repair manuals they have. I went to the website and they offer a yearly subscription, which is $19.95. It's almost $20, which is nothing. I mean, it's 20 bucks, not that much, but still, it's money. So I decided to go and buy the repair manual for my Volkswagen and see what kind of information they have. So I went and bought, and I compared their information with the website. There is another website that have free information on the Volkswagen CC called Cardian. So when I went and I compared the information on both websites, guess what? Free website has more information, more graphs, more pictures, rather than the website that I paid $20 almost per yearly per car. It's not like you pay one and you can use all of their manuals. You have to pay for each car. So it's just like $19 for first car, and then they're gonna give you some discount, $2, and it's gonna be $15 something cents per second car, and it's gonna go so on and so on. One thing is bad, that it's only yearly subscription. It's not like you buy it and download it. They won't let you download. But the website that I was talking like 10 seconds ago, Cardian, that's awesome. They have a download button, and plus there's so much information there for free. And I think it's a good advice, or it's a good thing for people who's looking for the repair manuals. Go ahead and check the Cardian website. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just a simple guy who loves fixing cars, and it's my hobby doing that. So I don't want to spend that much money on repair manuals, and I couldn't find more information on YouTube. No YouTubers did this video explaining which repair manual websites have better information. So I decided to share my information, my experience. So don't spend your money on the websites. They ask you, oh, buy my subscription and you're gonna get a lot of information. That's bullshit, let me tell you. Go to Cardian. There's so much information, especially on my car, Volkswagen CC. I found lots of information that even I didn't know about. I'm not certified mechanic, but I'm the guy who loves, again, fixing their cars, my friends' car, my cars, and just random people's cars, because it's just my hobby. And as you can see, I kind of broke my finger while fixing one of my friend's car. So thank you for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like, dislike it. I'm ready to hear your feedback, how to improve my channel, how to improve my videos. Please give a comment below if you have any suggestion, if you have a different opinions about the repair manuals, and we will discuss more. Thank you for watching.